Hello, student. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Here I'm back with my another video, which is steps to start a new business. What are the steps involved in starting a new business? So, first, the question arises how to start a business. Once Graham has told that make something people want. He is the founder of E Combinator. What is E Combinator? With headquarters in Silicon Valley, it is known as the greatest startup incubator in the world. So he is the founder of E Combinator. So what is the theme of today? Learn steps to build up successful startup. Here we are going to learn the steps that are required to build up successful startup. So it's no wonder that small businesses are very but not every small business is positioned for success. In fact, only about 2/3 of the businesses with employees survive at least 2 years and about a half survive 5 years. So you may be in the real challenge when you decide to take the plug, ditch your day job and become a business owner. The stage is often set in the beginning, so making sure you follow all the necessary steps when starting your business can set the foundation for successful business. So, firstly, we should find that what is the reason for new product failure. It may be due to poor marketing research, technical problem, insufficient marketing effort, bad timing, wrong group was targeted, unrealistic forecast, insufficient level of awareness. So, this all are the reason for the product failure. If the market research is not efficient, it will not give a real picture of the market. And if there is technical problem and if there is a bad timing to launch a product, that will also affect to the success of the business. And if we will target to the wrong group, suppose if we are making a child product and we are targeting to all the audience, then the chances of failure of the business should increase. Unrealistic forecast, insufficient level of awareness. So there are some of the points we should kept in mind while launching a business. Actually, this video is for overview of how to launch a business. So be unique and do your thing. Your businesses is unique. Clearly define your unique selling propositions to help users see your business apart from your competitors. Identify and concentrate on making the unique aspects of your business as superb as possible. So, whenever you are going to develop an idea on going to give a real picture to your idea, so think something unique. Always identify what is the best quality, what is the uniqueness of the product that will differentiate your product from the other product in the market. It will lead your product, your company to another level. It will bring your company to the top of the industry. Identify and concentrate on making the unique aspects of your product. The next is don't reinvent the wheel. It is not always required that you should invent something new. It may be there is lots of opportunities of getting idea from the existing product. Like did not invent hamburger and Starbucks did not invent coffee. Instead, they pursued market that already exists and did everything better. Did not invent the hamburger, and Starbucks did not invent the coffee, but they take the idea from the existing business and make their own brand and make their company more successful than other company. Next is define your business model. Think how your business will make money. You should think how your business is going to make a money in future. First, identify where you will get the money, your customers, and then how will you get the money, sales, marketing, or other strategy. At this stage, you have to identify from where you are going to get the money. Either you are getting from your pocket, or from venture capitalists, or from crowdfunding, or from getting your money from the angel investors. So you have to find out the sources of fund. Then you have to how you will get the money, from where you are getting that money which you have to repay. For example, you are getting money from the sales or marketing or other strategy. Which strategy you are going to adopt to get the money from the market? Either you are going to increase your sales, or by increasing your marketing strategy, or any other strategy. Then comes the develop a product that people will want to pay. You have to develop a product that people want, that people like to pay for it. Find out what your customer need and want. Watch them, talk to them, ask them about their problem and what type of solution they think will address those problems. What is the problem? Identify what is the problem of the customer. Focus on that problem. Try to innovate the product in the market and make something new from that product and launch it to the market, which will fulfill the need of the customers. Launch the product for which people want to pay, because they are in need of that product. So, identify the need of the people and want of the people is the primary function of any entrepreneur. Then comes the give quality product at reasonable price. Meet client expectations so you can win their loyalty. However, be careful not to promise the world to your customer in your desire for them to love your product. Promise only what you can reasonably deliver at cost that are acceptable to you. So you have to launch a product which has a unique quality, but at a reasonable price. You should not take the money which is not suitable for that product. However, be careful you not to promise the world to your customer in your desire for them to love your product. Your product should be loved if the quality of the product will match to their expectation and the price which you are taking from them are reasonable for them. They are not going to buy the product which will not give satisfaction, and if it will give satisfaction, then they are ready to pay for the price equal to their satisfaction level. They are not going to pay the money more than their satisfaction. Next is keep realistic expectations. You have heard the statistics that 80% of all businesses fail within 5 years. Yet you think that your is going to be the different. Don't forget that making money is hard period. For some, it even take up a month or worse, even 6 months before they even get a sale. Be prepared for these eventualities. So you have to expect which is realistic. You don't expect that is not realistic to the nature. Every business, mostly 80% of the business fails in 5 years only, because they think and they keep in mind that things that is not realistic, that is their expectation is more than the realistic fact. They forget don't forget that money is hard period. For some it even takes up to the month. You have, when you launch your product, the coming of the profit will take a 6 month also, or even 7 month, 8 month also. So you have to be patient. um, you have to wait for the period when you reach to the break even point. After that break even point, you will get the result of your unique idea. Don't wait for perfection. If you have got a product or service in mind, you don't have to wait until it is 100% perfect before you release it. Aiming for perfection is good, but it can hold you back. You need to start getting out there and be visible. So whenever you decide to launch a product, or whenever the idea of launching a new product came to your mind, do not wait for get 100% perfection in that field. You go for it. You launch your product, and then step by step, after coming few steps, after coming to launching your product, after a few months, you will learn something from the market also, and then you can behave in that manner to cope up with that difficulties and risk and assessment. So never wait for to become 100% perfect, because that could lead you back, or that could lead you led you to the delay to the market, to launching. Your launching will be delayed in the market, and the right situation to launch the product will go away. Build the right team. The quality of your team employee, if any, investors, professionals and strategic partner will spell a huge difference in the success or failure of your business. So human resource is the most valuable assets of any business. Human resource is the only things that can lead your business to the top of the market. So the quality of your team should be efficient. Employee, the investors and professional and strategic partners, all on this are the people on whom your success of the business will depend. So build a quality team. Understand your market. Develop a clear understanding of the market and your competition. Oh yes, you do have a competitors. Learn as much as you can about the industry, the market and the player. You need to recognize competitive threats and opportunities in order to give you time to prepare contingency for either. So develop a clear understanding of the market. You should have every knowledge of the market in which you are entering, in which you are going to launch your new product. You should be aware of your competitors and the market strategies and the market structure and your internal and external environment in which your business is going to survive. So you should learn everything about the industry in which you are entering, about the market and the player also. You need to recognize competitive threat and opportunities. What are the threats you are going to face, and what are the opportunities from which you get your key to success. In order to give a time, you have to give time for that, to prepare for this contingency. So thank you, that's all for today. We will meet in next video. Have a good day.